Alright, welcome back. This is Chapter 4, the gearbox. Now, I figured out why we couldn't get these two to work. And it definitely is because of these edges. Now, I know I put a little snippet in the previous video. Actually, it's not even a snippet. It's just a line of text that says, just move the lines. So I'm going to show you actually how to do that. I'm just going to show you on this one. It's the same process for this one. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And then we'll be done with the gearbox. So first things first, notice here on the right hand side we have difference, group, and group. We know these are the groups right here, but the difference, as I explained in earlier chapters, is when you use solid tools with a group or components, it makes the final solid a group called difference. So I'm picky. I like to hit explode and then right click and hit make component, and I'm going to call this base. And I'm picky that way. I like everything to be components and named. I don't like things just called group. I like to know what is what. I'm not going to rename these drill bits because I don't need to at the moment. Okay, so we're going to go inside this component by double clicking. And we're going to take this line and this line, okay, and we're going to hit M for move. We're going to click on a line. We're going to hit the right arrow key to force it. We're going to drag it back to here. In the bottom right corner, it shows a distance. I'm at 0.066, but I'm just going to type in 0.02. I'm going to hit enter. Okay. Now I'm going to remember that number, and then I'm going to back out, and now we're not against that edge, so now I can go subtract little from big, and it's thinking. If we look at the right hand side, notice it says difference. It took away my component and made this a group again, but if you don't like that, then use Nroth solid tools. The only reason why I have a hard time with Nroth is because you have to work with really big giant parts sometimes, like scaled up by 1,000. And even on this project, Nroth aired out on me, and that can get frustrating. So I just stick with the standard ones. Anyway, notice it worked. No issue whatsoever. But we are not done yet. Hit spacebar to get out of the solid tools view, not view, but tool. Double click this and remove, not remove as in get rid of, but reposition them to where they are. M tool, click, right arrow button, then type in 0.02. Make sure you're actually putting that. See, mine didn't catch those numbers, and then hit enter, and it will line it up just right for you. So notice how it's in blue right here, but notice this one's not. See how it really cuts that geometry up? That's why solid tools wasn't working. It literally splits it into two different lines. So anyway, that is how you do the fix. So anyway, I am pretty pleased with what we have so far. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I think the next video I'll do is one using Fredo's round corner to get these chamfers along here. Anyway, that's that. Thank you for watching, and have a good evening.